Welcome back, everyone. Lighting ESL. The last letter of the English alphabet is Z. Z. Notice. Dung, dung, dung. Yeah, Z. Now, where have I seen this letter before? Think of the word zoo. Yeah, Z. Zoo. Z-O-O. Yeah. Not many words have the letter Z in it. The most common, like I said, is the word zoo. Zoo. Or you might have an abbreviation of the sound of a bee buzzing along. Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Yeah. The letter is Z. And we pronounce it Z. This is the last letter of the English alphabet called Z. Z. It sounds like a zzz, like a bee or a mosquito flying by. Zzz. It's pronounced Z. The letter is called Z, the final letter of the English alphabet. Z. Till next time. Bye-bye.